Cutting up gang, cutting up gang. Yes, sir. The Andis GTX-EXO cordless trimmers, guys. Yes, sir.
I need a cut. I'm about to get you together. I'm gonna dance real quick, get a move, you know. I done got 30 up, I feel good. Definitely gonna ride the window. Well, my man's cut, you right, I'm about to let my hair belong. What's up, you know, I'm gonna talk to somebody cute I see in the track, you know, that's how.
Yep, the Andis professional GTX cordless trimmers, guys. Let's open her up. So y'all see, my retail price was $249.99, but I did got a 10% discount for being a barber. Let's open her up, guys. Yes, sir. Ooh! I had opened them in the store to make sure nobody returned them. I got these from a local store. Local store, guys. Woo! Yes, sir. Man. Yeah. Let's get her out. Ooh. Black, gold, blade. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, guys. It wet. Wool on it. Okay, you got the black screws, gold blade. Look at that. With the corded trimmers, when you modify it and cut the body, it's a hole. With these cordless, guys, they sealed it. That way when you cutting, guys, none of that hair is getting in the inside. So when you spray and disinfect, and after you dust, clean and sanitize your clippers, you spray and disinfect, none of that stuff is falling in the inside, guys. It's not falling in the inside, guys. They made these well. Let's see what else is in there. Let me put this blade clip safety guard back on there. Yes, sir. Andis, y'all. Okay. And they're pretty light. Woo! I have to go up on my haircut prices again, guys. See how much I paid for these clippers. I won't do that, but we take tips. See what else is in this box. We got, see, guys. Woo! The charging stand. Yes, sir. Let's see. Okay. Well packaged, Andis. Well packaged. Andis. Y'all for sure packaged the package. Ooh, it's gold. Look at that. Woo! Look at that, guys. Yes, sir. Toss that out, man. I don't need that there. This feels real sturdy. This is really well made, guys. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh, I love gold, guys. Gold looks so nice. Good gold. Match the. Woo! See if there's zero gap, guys. Probably have to zero gap them. But look at that. I can't wait to use these tomorrow. Ooh, she wet. Got the black screws. Power up, turn on only after battery is fully charged, okay? We're not gonna turn it on yet, guys. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, come with some guards. Let's do it. Rip her open, man. Here we go. Yeah. Take the safety guard off, guys. So let's say if you purchase these and you line up your mustache, you can also cut down your mustache with these guards, guys. Let's see. We got it. This is the smallest guard, guys. If I was trimming my mustache, you know, for work, and this is all I had, this is all you need. Put this guard down, guys. Power it on. Trim it down. Let's see if it has a duster in here. Charger. Okay. Yes, sir. Comes with the charger. It do not come with the duster, guys. But anyway, after you trim down your mustache, guys, you clean off your guard, clean off your clipper guard, spray and disinfect. Then you hit your mustache after you already cut it down. Yes, sir. Let's see what else it come with. Important documents enclosed. Use and care instructions. Yes, sir. I'm not gonna go through all of this. I'm just gonna skim it through, guys. Woo! Good thick book. Good thick book, guys. Okay. Thanks, Andis. Hey, friend. Just want to say great purchase. This is a great purchase. Yeah, so this is the latest and newest trimmer, guys. I know you will like it, but do me a little favor and register. This will help us create more great products for you in the future. Our future is in your hands, no pressure. I will be registering these clippers, guys. See how much I paid for them? These clippers definitely will be registered. Yes, sir. Let me put these back in there. Oh, wow. I couldn't work at their production line. I can't even get, okay, there we go. I can, I guess. Put this up, guys. And we got the Andis oil. She's already lubricated, guys. You see, she's wet. And then, that's how you set her up, okay? Close all of these up. Yeah. Look at that box, guys. This box goes in there. Oh, I didn't put this back the right way, but anyway, here's the charger cord. You got the charger cord, guys. There we go. The charger cord, guys. You Plug it in. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm not sure, but I'm sure it's 2 ways. You guys can probably even use the clipper like this while they're charging. Or if they're already charged, and then you connect it to the dock, like so. You guys hear that snap? Oh, satisfying. Listen. Oh, listen. Oh, the noise. This. Ooh, okay. But after you hear that noise, guys, or after this liner is already charged and done using it, just set it down and it should charge, guys. Yes, sir. Show you how it look when it's charging. Yes, sir. I love this blade. Here she goes. So when you charge it, guys, see the blue light? Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna let that charge, and I'll show y'all how it looks when it's finished charging. And then we're gonna go for the sound test.
Few moments later.
She's solid blue, guys. She's solid blue. Oh, this is gonna be my first time hearing her. Oh wow, she's solid blue, guys. She's all charged up. Yeah, she's all charged up. Let's take this off. Wow, look at that. Wow, see how she look. The charger without that, that's new. It's not like how the old one, the gray pair is. That's woo! Yeah. Look at that. Sound test, guys. Oh! Yeah, she wet, right? That piece. Woo! She feel good in the hand, guys. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Yeah, guys. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. These the new Andis trimmers. GTX-EXO. Good cop. I'm gonna give y'all an update in a couple weeks. Show y'all how they're working and if I still think if it's a good investment or not. But woo, just like that. And we out, guys.